Hello and happy August. I'm Arif Gilany, the founder of the Ministry of Miracles. Today, on behalf of Blue Zones for Business, I have a special presentation for you. So stay with me. This is the month that most of the money in the North American economy is made in the second half of the year, particularly what's coming up after the summer. So please do stay with me. And if you have any questions, if you have any comments, make sure that once you watch this video, you ask your comments and questions. So with that, I will go into a presentation mode and share my screen. From the beginning, a Blue Zones Forbes.com presentation. This presentation has been sponsored by various companies on the screen, including the Global Embassy of Culture at the United States Presidential Services Center. Also sponsored by camelcare.ca, Satisfaction Guaranteed 100% Camel for Socks, which is a part of My World, Travel World, and Lycanet. We are also now in partnership with SN Immigration for all of your immigration questions to Canada, and Camel Care 360 is expanding in UK with coffee, books, and Camel for socks. Of course, as of our origin, Kurdish House, My Heritage is also represented. We have other partners like Mattress Outlet in USA, and you can join this community very, very simply by messaging us. So today's presentation, known as Hump Day presentation, is about Camel Care therapeutic comfort wear. Of course, you can read more about it. You should read more about it at www.camelcare.ca, as we are your partners in health. I'm Arif Gilany, author, speaker, and founder. Today we're going to talk about wholesale, retail, and our ambassador program that goes with this line of products. Our introduction: you can build your own direct sale business, build your own team, and build with Camel 360. Our startup package of Camel for socks comes with MOQ, minimum order quantity of 500, to make sure that you have all of the sizes, varieties, and this is a Blue Zones franchise opportunity for those of you who are watching, those of you who are listening, those of you who are inquiring and thinking. Yes, there's a franchise opportunity being offered in 2026 for those of you who act now. Now, our philosophy is very simple. Wear what heals your body naturally. And camel fur has been used for thousands of years in history for healing benefits, and now it's available on our website for direct sale and via this presentation for wholesale. Camel Care is a brand of products derived from natural fibers, not only camel cashmere, yak cashmere, bamboo, and other 100% cotton products. We are the first company to manufacture and distribute healthy living active wear for the journey into the Blue Zone lifestyles, which is promotion of longevity to age 100. Should any of this information interest you, you can refer back to thousands of our customers over the years that we have served in various hospitals and places in GTA, and now we're expanding globally. We share our profits and train our people for success, and we encourage you to join our team. Today, we have an establishment of infrastructure for the last decade over Canada, Europe, and overseas, now expanding globally. All of the details of this presentation will be available to you once you join our ambassador program, which is a 90-day training, mindset training with Coach Arif Gilany. You can also become a commission salesperson with a very lucrative margin of 20%. Let's say you're in Ireland, you're in England, you just want to help us find those who want to be wholesalers and distributors with MOQ of 100 pairs of socks for a return of 100%. Our numbers are very simple. We like to help anyone watching this presentation to have a chance at making 50,000 extra dollars by June of 2026. The schedule and the plan of action is all here. Again, compensation package could be sent to you directly, and or you can join one of our live sessions throughout 2025, September to May of 2026. And our area of focus is business to business. This is developing a network of buyers that will benefit or develop their own camel fur product line. Return on investment, 100% guaranteed. We have a very niche market, those in pain, those in need, those aging population, and we have a supply chain directly from the Mongolian desert to your home, to your feet. We have a variety of products and specials running as of right now. You can get 6 pairs of camel fur socks just to test it out to see if it's something that you like to explore further, and a full line of products that are 100% money back guarantee. Our mission is to help customers achieve optimal health and mobility, supporting an active lifestyle inspired by the world's blue zones, where people enjoy a longer, healthier, and more vibrant lifestyles. By joining us, you are becoming a part of a global movement that promotes health and wellness, effective organizational systems, and sustainable wealth building opportunities for all. We have a lot of exciting events, retreats, and promotions happening across the world. You can join us every week on Wednesdays 12 noon or Saturdays at 10:30 a.m. to promote your business or introduce us to your company. Here we have 4 different courses that we teach in this Blue Zone, and I will start the Blue Zone Financial Services, which with my friend George Caddy, we have combined it with the personal development course that I am teaching for a 90 days of financial education for anyone who likes to learn about money and debt freedom. Lifestyle and community, we work with our partners in the USA and Mr. Vic Patalano, who is a sleep expert and sells sleep wellness products. Of course, our leadership and mindset program includes the financial services and the lifestyle, which we teach on one-on-one and as a free offer to join this community at bluezonesforbiz.com. Health and wellness products through camelcare.ca are available all on wholesale products with 100% margins for return. The more you know, the more you learn, the more you change. The attitude that you have, the activity that you have, the attendance that you have will determine your success with our company. And Hump Day business opportunity meetings run from 12 noon to 1 p.m. on a Blue Zones meeting. That's a meeting just like this one, where up to 500 people can participate and ask questions. And of course, the Saturday presentation, which happens on Saturday at 10:30 a.m. Again, all of these 4 areas are very comprehensive, and we have experts in each and every one of them areas to help us co-create a course that is customized to your needs. I'm Arif Gilany. I wanted to thank our sponsors again. All of their banners are on the screen. Make sure that you go and check them out. Google all of these companies, these logos, and find out how you can benefit from the services that we provide. Thank you for watching. I'm Arif Gilany. Look forward to seeing you Saturday at 10:30 a.m. Thanks for watching.